Far back in the year 2012, when Goodluck Ebende Jonathan was the president of Nigeria, the governor of Borno State was the current vice president, Shettima. So the war was going on. That time, Boko Haram have given ultimatum that Christians should leave northern Nigeria. They have started attacking churches and so on and so forth. So Kashim Shettima have to come and visit Goodluck Jonathan to tell him that Nigeria have money. They have to channel Nigeria resources to Borno State so that we can stop it. If not, he promised and he declared it that Nigeria military cannot win the war against Boko Haram. This was in the year 2012. I'm talking about how many years? 14 years now. If 14 years ago, the vice president of Nigeria told you that Nigeria cannot win this war, anybody deceiving you that let us mobilize soldiers, let us buy fighter jet, let us do this, let us do that, the person is deceiving you. Because the war we have in Nigeria has nothing to do with people who are fighting like Boko Haram, this and that. Leave those ones for the people. Leave it for us, the citizens. Just allow people to carry guns. They will defeat them. But the issue are the terrorists in Aso Rock, terrorists in the Senate House, terrorists in the House of Rep House of Rep houses, terrorists who are in office colluding with these people. That is the problem. That is just the problem. Nothing more, nothing else. Like, I don't know how many generals, Nigerian generals, I don't know how many Nigerian intelligence officers will come out to tell Nigerians that the government are sponsoring the terrorism. Akpabio, CDS Musa currently came out to tell you people that politicians are doing that. You understand? So, when it comes to the issue of insecurity, anybody hoping that government will do it, I'm sorry to tell you this, you are, okay, let me just say you are dreaming. I will not call you a fool. Anybody thinking that this government, maybe one way or the other, the military will defeat Boko Haram, or one way or the other, the police will stop insecurity, wake up, guy. If you didn't wake up now, it will be over for you. They can't do that. They are responsible for it. If the government, who are controlling the military, understand that we are not in the military era, all these people in the war front, they can receive order, go back, they will go back. You know, the president is the commander-in-chief, and the president is not communicating to them directly. He's doing that through Rebadu or through CDS Musa. These two people are the top ranking personnel after Tinubu, the National Security Advisor, Minister of Defense, before you come to talk about the defense chiefs. So, if Kashim Shettima made this statement far back in the year 2012, just tell me today what they are doing. So they already know that this war is not solvable and they are deceiving you, right? Take a listen to what he said.
What we are being confronted with is that we are in a state of war. This is what I came to update Mr. President on. And the sooner we stop playing the ostrich and rise up to the challenges of the day and marshal all resources towards neutralizing the antics of the Boko Haram, the better for all of us. But the bottom line is we need more resources, we need more boots on ground. In all fairness to officers and men of the Nigerian army and police, they are doing their best given the circumstances they have found themselves in. But honestly, the Boko Haram are better armed and better motivated than our own troops. And believe me, I'm an eternal optimist, as I've always said, but I'm also a realist. Given the present state of affairs, it's absolutely impossible for us to defeat the Boko Haram. I make it emphatically clear to Mr. President that the Boko Haram are better armed and better motivated. Anybody who is following events in this country can give testimony to the fact that they're having a very smooth cell, overrunning communities, killing people. Have we ever succeeded in thwarting any of their plans? They went to Kokonduga. They did what they wanted to do. They held sway for over 4 or 5 hours before they left. They were in Kauri. They went to Izge. And I don't blame the Nigerian military, honestly. We, the leaders, should be held responsible for a failure of leadership.
All right. Let us focus on what is happening in Kwara State. Kwara State is a Yoruba state that Fulani are contesting with the Yorubas. Buba Galadima told us the story, how they brought Buhari into politics because of OPC, who want to take back Yoruban land, which belonged to them, that the Fulanis have taken back. So they have to bring Buhari into politics to challenge Obasanjo, and Obasanjo ordered that OPC should be shot at sight. So the video is still on Arise News. It was made by Buba Galadima, exposing what Buhari did. So that is apart. Now, these people in Kwara State, they are protesting. I see them talking and they were crying. The man talking, he was literally crying that the Fulanis have taken their communities. He mentioned that 28 communities have been taken over. 28 communities, Yoruba communities, Fulani have taken it over. And they are still standing on the mandate of Tinubu. They don't want to solve the problem. But that is not my issue. My issue is this. It is becoming a past tense for people to gather and start protesting against insecurity. You are just wasting your time. Go and gather yourself. If you want to sell your community land, send it. All of you should become vigilante. All of you should carry gun. If you don't want to die, this is just what you are going to do. And if you say you are not going to do it, you can't carry gun, then you should get ready to die. This is not being politically correct. This is not painting of words. Everybody in that community supposed to become a vigilante member automatic. If you people don't have that, sell community, then go and order pump action. Do what you want to do. Make the hay while the sun shine. Nobody's coming to your rescue. You have to start doing it so that any help we get again, either from anybody, from international community, it will become an additive. Like it will become additional something. It will become a relief. The reason why I'm saying this is because if you keep on expecting help from anywhere and it did not come, I mean, if at the end it did not come, it will become, a problem. You will be trapped and you'll be demoralized. That is just the end. So I just think that people should just wake up and do something. Take a listen.
Too many body tó máa tún kọ̀ wá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí fóònù tí ó wà lọ́wọ́ wa yìí ni bí ẹ̀ bá jalè fóònù yìí ọmọ bọ́ máa ṣe kíláàkì fóònù yìí bọ́ máa ṣe rí ẹnìyẹn mú. Gbogbo àwọn tá à ń sọ yìí náà fóònù ló wà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ̀yin ìjọba ẹ ṣàánú wa, ẹ má jẹ́ kí wàhálà wa gbé lásán. Àwọn tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó wọ́n lé bá lé wọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sọ pé káà máa bọ̀ Kwara, ṣé Kwara tó ti wá pa wá nípa bí ẹ̀rọ. Òun náà ni gbogbo aráàlú tí wọ́n gbọ́ ni ṣé ó pọ́sibú bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run, ìyàwó àlẹ́ bàbá wà lé. Àmọ́ ẹnìbọ̀dì tó jẹ́ pé ó yìí wà bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn pípù yìí bọ́ ṣe ń gbé wa. Ojú ẹlòmíì láàrin tó bá tún gbowó lọ́wọ́ ọtọ́ náà yóò tún pa wá náà ni. Ọba wà bẹ́ẹ̀, ìjòyè wà bẹ́ẹ̀, ìyá wà bẹ́ẹ̀, bàbá wà bẹ́ẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà àbúrò wà bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí ìyà yìí jẹ wá. Àfihàn gbọ́dọ̀ ẹjọ́ náà ẹ ṣàánú wa, kẹ́ bá sunkún ti Tinubu lọ́rùn. Ẹ dákun tó kọ náà ẹ jẹ́ ṣàánú wa, àwọn tẹ̀mí òtún báyìí lọ.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, ó ní èmi fẹ́ kí àwọn kan bá.
The ultimatum have expired. That is the ultimatum the Bøkoharam gave the federal government of Nigeria. It has expired. They said they are going to execute 416 persons they kidnapped. Now, I got information this afternoon that Bøkoharam is now separating women they love. This is the height of it. Anytime Bøkoharam started separating people they love that they want to marry out, they are going to do execution. I spent time studying Bøkoharam activities, their modus operandi, how they work. So, you see these people, Nigerian Air Force said they went there to bomb that 72 people escaped. Don't know how true is it because I have not seen 72 people that escaped. I have not, seen them at all. What I'm trying to say is that by separating the women they love to marry them, Bøkoharam is all out to do a mass execution. Remember that majority of these people they kidnap from Ingoshe are Christians. Definitely, they might separate the people they have the same faith with and massacre others as sacrifice to their God. This is what Bøkoharam is doing. So, people should understand the level we are now. Shettima just told you that the war started. Then, he said we are at war. That was 2012. And when we come out to tell you this is what is going on, this is what is going on, some people think we are just amplifying what does not exist. Why should anyone come out to say something that doesn't exist, of which you know if you pass out false information, they will come after you? If you see me coming out to tell you that the government are responsible, politicians are responsible for this insecurity, I know what I'm talking about, and nobody can go to court to challenge me for this, because the person will be shamed. The person will be shamed. In fact, the person will trap himself. So, all this insecurity situation is not something someone will use for anything like play. It is human beings that they are about to execute now. And Nigeria government will say they don't have power to know where they are to capture them. That is a funny thing, because they know their location. They have their phone number. They know them by their names. Then why do you allow them to continue to kill the good people in the soldier? Why exonerating people are giving them information in the same military? Anyway, it is what it is. I believe and I know Nigeria will not work again.